Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you are all fine. Codito Boy is here, this is my alias. My true name is Odysseus Colas. Okay, today what we are gonna do? Today we are gonna implement this beautiful slider with React.js. Good news are that it's very simple to create this slider, guys. Okay, look, when we change with buttons each images, we see this background, the black background, and opacity, of course. Look how nice it is. You don't need to have many knowledge in React.js in order to implement it. It's super easy, guys. I'm gonna explain you all the steps. I know you are all restricted at homes, but we don't have choices, guys. We face a difficult period with this nasty coronavirus, but for our safety we have to be at home, and for our friends and family safety we must also be at homes. Okay, let's get started. What are we waiting for? Okay, dude, what are we waiting for? Just start now. Right, I'm just gonna start now. What I'm talking like this? Why I'm talking like this? I don't know. So let's just start. I'm gonna just close this. Go. Let's open. So guys, I like creating my app with CMD. Okay. Let's with CD move to our desk. Did I write it cool? Right? Desktop. Okay, nice. Now npx create react app. How we are gonna call it? Let's call it my slider. Cool slider. Yeah. Oh no, no cool. Simple slider. Simple dash slider, and boom. Now we have to wait. This is gonna take a couple of minutes. So guys, it's important. Let's do another thing until it finish. It's important. No, if you want to learn React. So guys, I'm not an expert in React. Okay, I learned from some guys. I know many things in React. It's not easy to learn React. It's important if you have knowledge in JavaScript. It can help you a lot. But again, you have to get many things in order to learn React. You have to think in one important thing. So React is about logic, how you think, and then bring all this what you are thinking in the DOM, in the memory of React, and in reality. You don't have to be an expert in order to learn to create things. Okay, you might see some guys that create e-commerce. This kind of sites wants a lot of experience. Even if you try to attend tutorials and watch someone who is creating an e-commerce, it's not easy to implement it. You have to attend it many times. Okay, the first time you are gonna your mind, your brain is gonna absorb a couple of things, but you can't absorb all things in one instance, guys, believe me. Okay, I'm trying to create e-commerce, but many times I'm stuck in many things. It's not easy. E-commerce, it's the alpha stage. Alpha stage. What did I think now? So I'm watching, guys, the series Walking Dead, because watching it, uh, I didn't like the beginning. I saw the first 2-3 episodes, and then I became addicted to this series. I liked The Walking Dead. Okay, maybe the scene, the whole plot is the same, but I don't know. I like this series, and I took the alpha from the series. The alpha is the high level, the alpha, the chief, the one who commands everything. Let's say. So, in order to be alpha in e-commerces, you have to attend many tutorials to, of course, to make practice, because from practice we can become good. Okay, practice make us good. Is the best medicine generally in order to materialize things. This slider is very easy. You will notice it, guys, and you don't have to be super clever in order to implement it. Just I want you to tell you that sometimes you must think in an easy and logic way. Not to try, oh my god, this guy did this slider. You can see some sliders with very strange animations, autoplay. Oh, how did you do it? Every guy has a specific way, have a specific way of thinking and implement things. Okay, you must find your way. Let's see what happened to. Oh my god, it's gonna take a lot. I'm gonna stop it for a while. Okay, we are ready to begin. So guys, now let's see. Did it really install? Symbol slider. Yeah, symbol slider is here. We got it. Now let's close it. I'm gonna open my favorite text editor and just put the simple slider here. Right. Cool. Now in source, let's open the terminal. PM start. As I previously told you guys, you don't need to know everything. You don't need to be clever. For example, I don't know well the Redux, okay, but I use Context API for state management. I like it very much, and of course React hook, which is very cool. You don't need to know everything, guys. As you saw, we created previously an entire website with which it took us almost 9 hours. Okay, someone with a lot of experience is gonna say, hey dude, why did you do so many hours? No, guys. Okay, you saw that we did everything from scratch, the CSS from scratch, everything, every single word from scratch. Okay, I tried to explain as well as I could, but we did a complete website. Okay, a simple website. Okay, let's get started. We got our basic structure here. Let's resize it. Here it's nice. Also, I need to put inside in this, in a simple slider, the images. So just we got the slider that we created. You don't need to do it. You are gonna have all the images from GitHub. I will do it for myself. This is the slider, the original, the custom. I will just open the original. This is the project that we created just now. I will also open it. I have here the images. Let's grab, yeah, photos. Copy. If you want, you can just put your own images. Okay, go to source, just paste now. I'm gonna just paste. Don't need to do it. You will have. You will already have it. Close. Now, okay. Let's resize it. Open it and open it, and we got our photos. Okay. Now, let's go before we move somewhere else. Go to index. No, to index where public index HTML. Let's bring here. No, here. Let's bring the font awesome. We got the arrow keys from our slider. Okay, we're gonna take it from where is right here, font awesome CDN. We want the CDN. Go to CDNs. I like this site, has everything. Go to CSS and just copy this. Come on, don't be so late. Copy, cool. We don't need font awesome CDN. Right. Go here. Just write a link, right, and paste. Boom. Right. Just close it. No, now we don't need it anymore. Close it. What else? Go to basic. Go here. Let's start our project. App.js. We are gonna we are going to delete all the stuffs, also the logo, we don't need it. We are gonna create a component here with a name of let's call it slider2.js. right. Let's create a class component hello from slider. Okay, slider component. Right, let's import it. Import slider to from slider to. Right, cool. We got it now. Slider 2. Beautiful. Hello from Sun. Let's go and delete all the defaults from app CSS. Okay. Slider 2. We don't need this anymore. Just close the app and we're gonna work in slider 2 and up. Let's put it here, right? Now let's delete it. Write a class name here. Class name equal with central, right? Div dot photos, right? And then inside my photos we need the image. Let's go to our why don't we import it dynamically? Dot images dot photos let's put that photos. And images, why I can see it. Let's see, I'm taking from the right destination. Photos. Yeah guys, I understood. If I'm not taking from the source, from when we are in the source, in order to take the image we have to put as a variable here. So why don't you do something else? Just copy, cut all the entire and put in public. Where is public? Here. And the public understands this destination. Okay. Let's write here just image. Right. Let's create now photo is ready. Let's create now the btns div dot btns, right? Let's put the I dot fs dot f chevron and left. Where I can see it. So left. Let's write here, or don't write anything. Copy. Alright. I'm wondering why I can't see the chevron. As far chevron, you know. Let's see, does it work or no? Home. It's fine. Okay, it's not working. That font awesome. What the fuck happened now? It gets in my nerve. Font awesome CDN. Damn it. CDNs. The CSS. Okay, let's take this version. Copy. Or no, this. Alright. Let's go to and okay, it's working. I don't know, guys. Sometimes you make mistakes that you can't realize it. Okay, the home does not work because I didn't write correctly. This chevron left, and we got it. Let's make the design and then dealing with another things. Let's go to body, or before going to body, let's go to dot central. Okay, let's write a position relative. We want a display. Flex. What the fuck happened now? I didn't put here. Display flex. Position dot central. We don't have positions. What I'm doing? Margin 0 auto. Right. Let's make an initial height of 70 VH. Right. Width of 9. Background color black. The box shadow of 0.05 pixel, 1 pixel. Let's put a light gray. Cool. Dot photos. Where did I write the photos? It's here. Photos. Margin 0 auto, and height is gonna take the height of this. What I'm doing? 100%. initial height is gonna take, but now we got to go to images. And just put a width of 100%, right? Display block, yeah, and height inherit. Cool. Now let's go to the body, just say a background color RGBA, right? Let's put 69, 70, right? Next step, a display of flex. I'm gonna put it in the center. Align item center and justify content center. What else? How did I miss? Let's put a height here. Okay, in order to see all the center, we have to put a height. Let's say 3H. Now we see the center and the margin 0 auto. And okay, let's design it a little to be better. I'm gonna create the new photos dot new photos. Here is a class that I'm creating. I think it is for transition. So transition. What happened now? It does not work. I didn't put curly braces. Transition 5. Let's put all is in out. In out. Okay. And then opacity of 0.5. Right. Now let's go to buttons .bt ends. This is a class that I've created. Let's put a created class for what happened to me today? For, let's say, photo manipulation. .bt ends. Let's go. Position. Now we are gonna use absolute, right? Top. Let's write the top of 15%, right? Left 50%, cool. And transform, cool. Translate, let's put minus 50% dot minus 50%. Width 100%, right? Let's write a display flex in order to see each element in the right direction. And now the magic: justify content space between, and boom, everything in the right direction. Next, let's go now to each element. .btns .fas, right? Let's make a font size of 35 pixels. Okay, it's nice. Background, let's put a tomato. It's a nice background. Okay, it needs padding, of course. Put 5 pixels, it's not bad. Right. Let's make a width of 30 pixels. Okay, now it's better. No, it's not better. Let's put a text align of sender, and boom. Now it's better. Opacity 0.5. Now it's better. 0.5. Let's make a transition of let's say all is in out. Cool. Why don't you make a hover for each element now? Fast a face hover and just delete all this. Next, the only thing that we want to pack, what I'm writing, guys. I don't believe today. No, one. Right, and now it's nice. I like it. Right. Cool. Let's go to media, right? Min fuck. Let's say dot central position. I don't need a position. What I'm writing. Let's put the height of. No, I think it's the same height. Okay. Oh no. So let's create a width of 60 pixels. Okay, and let's see, and we got it. Here we are. We create a design. So let's go and create the functionality with React. Right, go to slider, here above the render. Let's go the state, the initial state, equal we want a count here in order a default count. Let's put 1, right? And what are creating a none and put it false, right? Let's create our buttons functionality. So handle left, right. No, what I'm doing, guys? Don't believe. Let's create a fat arrow function. Here we want equal, right? Let's left clicked, click, click. Let's create also the handle right, right here to see if it's functional, if it's working. Open, inspect element, open your console. Let's see now. Already done. Alt. Image already announced img as an image. Need to use the word img. Photo. Okay, let's ignore it at the moment. What I'm doing, guys, I didn't put the functionality here in buttons. So first on click equal this dot handle left, the same thing here. On click equal this dot handle right. And now let's see. Nice, left clicked, right clicked. Okay, we are ready to continue. Let's close the log, delete the log from here on the left. Now let's create a variable with a name of new count equal with this dot state dot count plus 1, right? And then we want to upload this state in order to bring the new state. How it's gonna happen if this, of course, with this dot set state, right? And the count equal with the new count. What else? And of course here we want the anim to be true. When it's counting, we want true. And what I'm doing here, I don't know, need equal. Right. Okay, now we can count. Let's see, can we really count? Inspect element. Okay, that don't have the console here. Let's put log this dot state dot count, right? And here we are, we can count, you can see here. But we want the count, we want to put some limits here. Let's see. We put if count, if this dot state dot count is equal with 4. Why 4? Because we have what I'm doing. How many equal did I put here? We have 4 images. Okay, where are 1 2 3 4? If we have 5, we put 5 here. If we have 10, we put 10 here. Okay, right. If it's 4, what I want this dot set state to put the count 1 again. We are gonna bring the initial count here again, right? Let's see. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, and okay, right. Cool. Why don't we write something here? What? Counting restrictions. Counting parameter. Let's say parameter according to images. Okay. Right. Let's implement the same thing. Okay, not copy all this. I'm gonna copy all this thing. Copy, delete it, paste, and minus put here. Okay. If this dot state equal with 1, the opposite thing, count equal with 4. It starts for 4 now. Okay, true. Let's see what happened. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Right. Let's see now. 1 2 4. 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. Right. Cool. Now what we can do? Let's do this clever thing with template literals. Here, what we can do? We can put the counter here, guys. This dot state dot count. Okay, let's put here this dot state dot count, the initial. So we can see the initial, and when we push, look, we got it, right? We made the slider. Look guys, we made our slider here. It's ready. But let's mock a functionality in order to see that something delay, for example, a transition. In order to implement this, let's go here and create. Let's create a timer. Timer equal with set timeout. Cool. Let's put here, why don't we put right let's create a function of what I'm doing. Right, and put here this dot set state anim put in false after the time period of 500. It's gonna become false. Okay, now let's create, we are gonna put the timer in component did mount. Component what I'm doing, component did mount, right, and then let's create this dot interval clear equal with this dot timer. Cool. We need to unmount this timer now. How? With component will unmount. Right. Cool. We don't know to keep space in the memory. Clear interval equal, no equal, clear interval what? This dot interval clear. Right. After this we got the timer is here. Okay, handle timer, no, we need this dot timer. Cool, put it here. Right, we got the timer. Why don't we do the same for dot timer? Right. Cool. The method, here we are running the method, and let's put the class here. What we are gonna do here? Cut. So this dot state dot anim, we want the anim to become here, and we need, okay, we are gonna put first of all the photos Okay, we want to appear in both photos, right? And where? And here, when we push, we're going to see the new photos. And boom, you see this, look here, guys. You can observe that this is something like animation, look. Let's do something else. If I'm gonna put here, for example, where is 100, 1000. Too late. Oh no, it's not nice. It's not nice. Previous it was nice. Here it has sense. Right. And of course you can change the background. Let's see, it's the black, you can see the black. You just can ignore it and let's see what happened. Okay, and something like this. I believe it's better the background to make here. Right. Okay guys, this was the tutorial that we created. I hope you like it. Oh my god, it took 15 minutes. I don't believe. So simple slider. So guys, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and of course push the like button. Cool tutorials are coming. So also I'm gonna make electrical installations tutorials. This is my primary occupation. Okay. Electrical automations, many tools are coming soon. So have a nice day, guys.